Whether one is living in Eastern Africa, Western Africa, or even South Africa, GOtv remains the most affordable and reliable digital news and entertainment platform in Africa. However, subscribers regularly complain of not being able to watch and enjoy their favorite programs due to the error E48 on their screen as a result of loss of GOtv signal. The most common cause of error E48 is the loose connection between the signal cable from the aerial to the RF in port at the back of the GOtv decoder. This video will guide you on how to clear error code E48-32 by yourself very easily, and therefore watch this video to the end and remember to like, share and subscribe to get more future do-it-yourself technical tips. Follow me as I show you how to correct this problem.